everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Lipon. Today I will tell you the pronunciation of A. A when mixed with another letter in that time it change its pronunciation. Okay, we will see today how to pronounce A in a different ways. Okay, without much further ado, let's get started. The first one, A. The letter A but we have to pronounce it a. Act, a, kata, act. Next one, add, a, da, add. Next one, head, ha, a, da, head. Okay, bad, ba, a, da, bad. Abnormal, a, ba, na, a, ma, la, abnormal. We have to, this one is silent, okay? Abnormal, not mal, abnormal. Next one, abacus, abacus, a, ba, short sound, ka, short sound, s. Okay, abacus. Abdicate, abdicate, a, ba, da, e, ka, e, cha, abdicate. Abdomen, a, ba, da, a, ma, a, na. This one short sound, abdomen, abdomen. Apple. All of us know what is an apple. Okay, apple, apple. Evolution, evolution. A, ba, short sound, la, e, shana. Evolution. Next one, ant. And nata, ant. Okay, I think all of you clear how to pronounce a. The letter is a, but we have to pronounce it a. Okay, next one, short sound. Okay, the letter is a, but the pronunciation okay, short sound. This one asterisk symbol, a back, but you have to just a little bit up, back. Addition, addition, a, da, e, shana, addition. Bundle, bundle. You have to just a little bit stress, okay? Unstress symbol, that's why you have to just bundle, bundle. A, ba, ana, da, ana. Short sound. Bait, bait, a bait, okay? A, ba, a, ta, bait. Look at this one that you have to bake, a bake, a bag, not a bake, a bag. This one, stress mark, okay? You have to put a stress there, bake, back, not bake, sorry, a bag. Dition, dition, this one, stress mark, bundle, bundle, stress mark here. Next one, bait, bait, a bait, okay? Short sound, ba, a, ta, bait. Next one, absorb, 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 okay? Short sound, ba, ja, you, short sound, ra, okay? Absorb. Next one, abide. This one, short sound, ba, a, da, bite, bite, bite. Abortion, abortion. Short sound, ba, a, shana, abortion. Next one, ability, ability. Short sound, ba, e, la, a, ta, e, ability. Next one, abhor, abhor, okay? A, ba, ha, a, ra, abhor. This one, last a will not pronounce, okay? Banana, banana, not banana, banana. B, ba, a, na, a, long, a sound, na, short sound, banana. A base, okay? You have to just a little bit A, not a long A base. Short sound, ba, a, s. Okay, a base. There are lots of words, bout, round, America. Okay, next sound, A. Next sound, A. The letter is A. Sound is A. Way, way. Is, able, table, fable, day, pay, acorn, acre, age, data. Okay, data. Way is wa. W. The sound is wa. Way. A sa is. A bala able. Ta a bala table. Fa a bala fable. Da a day. Pa a pay. A ka a na acorn. A ka a ra acre. Is a j is da a ta a short sound data. Next one e. Okay, the letter A, but the pronunciation, the sound is E. A-E-G-I-S. You have to pronounce it Aegis. E-ja-e-sa. Aegis. A-E-S T-H-E-T-I-C. You have to pronounce it aesthetic. Aesthetic, not aesthetic. 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 Okay, A-E-O-N. Okay, the pronunciation will be eon. Eon. Okay, long period of time. Eon. And private. Private. Okay, you have to use this one. Climate, legitimate. Okay, next one, I. The letter A, but you have to pronounce it I. How to do it? A-I-S-L-E. Here, S is silent. So you have to pronounce it I, R, I-T, right. R-I-G-S-T, right. F-I-G-S-T, fight. But you have to pronounce it Fa-I-T. Fa-I-T. Okay. Next one, kite. Okay. K-I-T, kite. Bite, might. You can use I. Okay, you have to use, not can. You have to use I. This symbol. Okay. Next sound is A. The letter is A, but the sound is A. A-R-M-Y. Okay. Army. Army. Father. Father. Fa. Fa. A. Ja. A. Ra. Okay. Father. After. After. Almond. It is silent. Okay. Almond. Archive. Archive. Ka-I. Answer. Answer. You have to just long sound. Answer. Arcade. Arcade. A-K-A-D. Arcade. Arms. It is silent. Arms. Arch. 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 Okay, this is the sound. Arch. Arch. Next one, air. The letter is A, but the pronunciation is air. A-I-A-I-R. Air. Okay? C-A-R-A. Care. Ka-air. Okay? Share. Sha-air. Share. Dare. Da-air. Dare. Aromatics. Air. Raw. Short sound. Ba, a, ta, I, ka. Okay? Aromatics. Air, row, drone. Air, row, drone. This is a small airport. Okay? So, all of you clear? about how many ways we can use A. The pronunciation, of course. The next sound is just a little bit. Gun. G-U-N, gun. B-U-N, bun. H-U-M, hum. C-U-T, cut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-G, hug. Just a little bit, not a ah. Just a little bit. Hut, bun. Next one, E sound. The letter is A, but you have to pronounce it A. Many, many, any, anybody, anybody, anyone, anything, anything. This one, tha and in. Okay, anything. Many, any, anybody, anyone, anything. Okay, just the sound A, but the letter is A. The sound A. Okay, next one, reverse A, just a little bit. Sound. Okay, the letter A, the first letter is A, but you have to pronounce it Australia, Australia, and Austria, Austria, and Australia, Australia. Okay, just a little bit, just press this one A, but you have to reverse it. It is called reverse A. It is called reverse A. When you pronounce this word Austria and Australia, in that time you have to use reverse A. Okay? Sound is O. O. Just make your mouth O. Round. Round. Okay? O. All. All. Always. 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 Albeit. Albeit. Okay? This one, bit. You have to put here B-E-I-T. Okay, a bit. Older, older, older. Almost, almost. Oh, almost. Alright, alright. Okay, the next sound is O. Next sound is O. The letter is A. Look at this. That the first letter is A. The first letter is A, but you have to pronounce it aubergine. Aubergine. A-U-B-E-R-G-I-N-E. But when you pronounce it, you have to pronounce it aubergine. Next one, au revoir. Au revoir. This is the this one is French word. When you write it with the help of IPA system, in that time you have to write a O. Ra, a, va, wa. Ra. Okay. Au revoir. This is the pronunciation of this word au revoir. This is the French word. Okay. I think all of you clear how to pronounce A and different ways. Different ways you have to pronounce A. You have to use A, but when you pronounce the words, when you pronounce the word, in that time you have to use so many ways you can use the sound. Okay, I think all of you clear. That's it for today, and next time I'll come with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye. Au revoir.